Hey everyone, this is Chris, and this is day three of learning Figma. I just want to start off by saying thanks to everyone that has actually watched my videos and actually kind of learned this process with me. Definitely have been getting some views, some subs. So if you like the past three videos that I made, please leave just a like and just even just look at it. It'll definitely push it up the algorithm. Um, so let's get started here. Figma actually just released their newest update. Has some changes to the UI. If you can see down here, the when you create like a new frame and everything like that, everything is moved down here instead of up here. And also, you can close these sidebars so you can have some more wiggle room to work. Um, but that's really aside from what I really have seen. I didn't go through like all the patch notes and everything like that. Um, but yeah, so I have made some changes last time for the first video that I made, and I've definitely did some more research on what these music apps are lacking. Um, and I kind of want to get your guys' insight on what music streaming apps like Spotify and Apple Music are lacking. Um, but the main thing that is lacking is I wish there was a way to leave feedback for artists when they release a new song. Um, I know I've mentioned this before that Spotify has released a way to give like star ratings to podcasts, but I don't think there is any way to comment it unless there's some like beta feature. Um, but I have made some changes to my wireframe. Um, I've created some buttons. I learned a little bit more through the videos I watched. So I watched a lot of content creators. I made a small sticker sheet. Um, made or actually just took like a home icon and like all these icons here. But let's just go through this process real fast. Actually have figured out an app name, but not gonna release it just yet. I want to obviously make sure that this is fixed. So this thing that you'll notice that when you click on some things that you can actually do sliding transitions, which is kind of cool. So we'll just go through this whole process one more time. You can create an account. You can log in. Takes you to this landing page here. As you can see, similarly looks like Spotify, but not entirely. Um, yeah, so go ahead and click the hamburger menu here. It takes you to this navigation page here. Nothing too serious. Go to connections, go to Facebook. You can add songs to Facebook, all these things. Click on the home button, takes you back to the home page. Click the account name. You need to make another page where when you click the account name, it'll just like show up like your account and information like that. Click on the song name, takes you to the main song page. Click share, share to your favorite platforms. Go back. You can comment, takes you to the comments. Go to similarly rated. It brings you back to one of the songs that you've selected. Click the home button, brings you back here, and when you log out, it just logs you back in. And we'll just go through this one more time. Sign in, have an account, sign in here. It just takes you to this home page here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Still working on the details. It's hard to think about what you want when you have some like designer block. But I'm watching a lot of content creators see how they think about or how they design. So, um, but yeah, I'm working on a portfolio right now. Like I mentioned, I'm still taking one of the certificate courses. So this is going to be my main project, my main case study. Working on a portfolio right now. I think I'm doing this through UX Folio. Um, and once that is up, I can definitely make another video on that. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to say thanks to everyone that has actually watched my videos. I really appreciate it. Still in the job hunt, so this is definitely something that is practice for me, and I'm hoping it'll work out in the long run. But yeah, thank you guys. Next time, hopefully, I will have this finished, or I'll just walk through my whole process one more time. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.